Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking with healthier cookware? In 2026, ceramic cookware has emerged as a top choice for those seeking non-toxic options. Unlike traditional PTFE, ceramic sets utilize a groundbreaking sol gel process for a clean label and safety. Let's break down the essential features to look for in ceramic cookware. First, ensure it has a hard anodized structural core. This durable base prevents cracking and ensures even heating. Next, opt for induction-ready magnetics, which provide compatibility with modern cooking technology. Lastly, select designs with high heat ergonomics, including dual riveted handles that withstand oven temperatures. Why choose ceramic for healthy cooking? Its chemical stability means it performs well even at high temperatures. Also, ceramic requires less oil for cooking, aligning with low-fat dietary practices. Before you buy, remember to check for diamond or titanium reinforcement in the ceramic coating, maximum oven temperatures, and vented tempered glass lids for consistent cooking results. Our top picks include the Greenpan Valencia Pro for best overall, Caraway for premium features, and Green Life Soft Grip for value. Upgrade your kitchen with these non-toxic ceramic cookware options today.